Mid-spring, unveiled, understanding seasonal phrases. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the phrase, mid-spring. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what this phrase means and how to use it. Let's jump right in. Mid-spring is a compound word made up of two parts, mid and spring. Mid. This is short for middle and often refers to the central part or point of something. Spring, one of the four temperate seasons, following winter and preceding summer. Together, mid-spring typically refers to the middle part of the spring season. Understanding the phrase, mid-spring, can be useful in various contexts. 1. Weather and climate. It can help in predicting the kind of weather to expect. Mid-spring usually sees a transition from the colder temperatures of early spring to the warmer temperatures that lead into summer. 2. Cultural events. Many cultures have festivals or traditions that occur in mid-spring. 3. Agriculture. It's a vital time for farmers. Many crops are sown or harvested during this period. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at mid-spring in action. 1. The flowers bloom beautifully in mid-spring. 2. By mid-spring, the days become longer and warmer. 3. Many tourists visit the city in mid-spring to experience the annual festival. And there we have it. The phrase, mid-spring, refers to the central part of the spring season. It's a period full of transformation, both in nature and in cultural activities. We hope this explanation has shed light on its meaning and usage. Stay curious, and happy learning!